Meow! I'm really fond of watching vidIQ's channel review just because I want to learn. But did you know that you can have your free channel review from AI? And today I'm going to show you 3 free AI tools to review my channel that you can also apply with yours. Let's go! Hey, it's Ads Ganda. I'm diving into my unfiltered YTA journey. Come explore this wild ride with me. I'm getting bored of that intro. Alright, let's jump right in. The first one is ChatGPT. GPTs are free within ChatGPT and I'm using YouTube Optimizer. Now let's ask AI to review my channel. You can copy my prompt and replace with your channel details. And boom! Let's take a quick check of its feedback. ChatGPT provided the strengths, insights of what to improve, gave recommendations, next steps, and insights on my recent top videos. Good job! My only problem here is there's no export button. On to the next is Gemini. I'm using my free account here. Again, let's use the prompt from earlier. The model I use is 2.5 Pro for in-depth analysis. Okay, same with ChatGPT. Gemini provided the strengths, what to improve, and insights on my recent top videos. You can export this feedback to your Gmail or to Google Doc. Lastly is Perplexity AI. This is a free account as you can see, and the browser I'm using is named Comet. You have to install this and sign up. We're going to use the same prompt from earlier and let's see how it goes. It took time to show the result, but still impressive for a free account. It gave the strengths, areas to improve, and final recommendation. What I love on Perplexity is that I can export this to a PDF file. While this analysis can help us to improve our channels, I still believe a feedback taken from experience is definitely far more better than this. Now that you know how to get your free channel review, remember to subscribe for more YouTube automation tips and AI tutorials. Hope you liked my video. Yeah.